Hi everyone, it's Lean, and welcome back to English Rhythm Lab. Before we begin, remember this. Listening to English is useful, but speaking out loud is what really trains your mouth. When you shadow, you don't just understand the sentence. You copy the sound, you copy the rhythm, and you teach your mouth how English feels. That's why this kind of practice is so powerful. Small sentences, repeated many times, with a steady rhythm. This is how fluency begins. So today, don't just listen quietly. Speak with me. Even if your voice is soft, even if you make mistakes, keep going, because every repetition helps your English become smoother. Today, we're practicing English at the airport. This is a very useful topic for real life. When you travel, you may need English at check-in, at security, at passport control, at the gate, on the plane, and after you arrive. So, in this lesson, we'll move through the airport step by step, like a real journey. You'll hear each sentence 3 times. Say it out loud with me each time. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on speaking clearly, and try to keep a calm, steady rhythm. By the end of this lesson, you'll have practiced 84 repetitions. That's real speaking practice. Let's begin at check-in. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? Here's my passport. Here's my passport. Here's my passport. I have 1 suitcase to check. I have 1 suitcase to check. I have 1 suitcase to check. Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat? Nice work. These are the first sentences you may need when you arrive at the airport. Now let's move to bags and security. Can I take this on the plane? Can I take this on the plane? Can I take this on the plane? Is this the line for security? Is this the line for security? Is this the line for security? Do I need to take off my shoes? Do I need to take off my shoes? Do I need to take off my shoes? Good. Keep your voice relaxed. Don't rush. Simple sentences become powerful when you can say them clearly. Now let's go to passport control. Where is passport control? Where is passport control? Where is passport control? You're doing really well. Keep speaking with me. Now you passed security. You are inside the airport. Let's find your gate and get ready to board. Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? Where is gate 12? What time does my flight leave? What time does my flight leave? What time does my flight leave? My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. Where can I get coffee? Where can I get coffee? Where can I get coffee? Nice rhythm. Stay with me. These sentences are short, but they are very useful when you travel. I'm looking for the restroom. I'm looking for the restroom. I'm looking for the restroom. What time do we board? What time do we board? What time do we board? I can't find my boarding pass. I can't find my boarding pass. I can't find my boarding pass. Great job. You are building real speaking confidence. Now imagine you are near the gate. You are waiting. You are getting ready to enter the plane. How long is the flight? How long is the flight? How long is the flight? More than halfway there. Keep that rhythm going. Now you are on the plane. Use a polite voice, speak clearly, and keep it simple. I'd like some water, please. I'd like some water, please. I'd like some water, please. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Excellent. Very natural. A polite sentence can help you in many situations. Now the plane has landed. You arrived at your destination. Let's practice what you may need after arrival. Where do I collect my luggage? Where do I collect my luggage? Where do I collect my luggage? I can't find my bag. I can't find my bag. I can't find my bag. My suitcase is black. My suitcase is black. My suitcase is black. Good. Say each sentence like you really need it. Clear, simple, confident. Now let's move to customs and arrival questions. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. I'm here for vacation. I'm here for vacation. I'm here for vacation. Beautiful. Keep going. You're almost at the end of your airport journey. Now you are leaving the airport. You may need transport, money, or Wi-Fi. Let's practice these final travel sentences. How do I get to the city? How do I get to the city? How do I get to the city? Where's the taxi stand? Where's the taxi stand? Where's the taxi stand? I need to change some money. I need to change some money. I need to change some money. Almost there. Keep speaking out loud. Your mouth is learning these patterns now. Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Beautiful work today. You just practiced 28 sentences and 84 repetitions. That's real speaking practice. You practiced the airport journey in the correct order. These are not random sentences. These are real sentences you can use when you travel. And because you repeated them out loud, they will be easier to remember when you need them. Maybe next time you travel you won't need to think too much. Your mouth will already know the rhythm. That's the power of shadowing. You listen, you speak, you repeat, and little by little, your English becomes more natural. Thanks for practicing with me today. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to English Rhythm Lab so we can keep learning together. And tell me in the comments, what topic do you want to practice next? And I'll see you in the next lesson.